Full class for restricted pre-trip inspection. 1. Exterior inspection. Walk around the vehicle, check for any visible damage, leaks, or obstructions. Lights and signals, headlights, high and low beams. Brake lights, turn signals, front and rear. Hazard lights, reverse lights. License plate light. Tires and wheels. Check tire pressure and condition. Look for cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. Ensure lug nuts are secure. Inspect rims for damage. Windows and mirrors. Ensure all windows are clean and free of cracks. Adjust mirrors for proper visibility. Doors. Check that all doors open and close properly. Ensure doors are securely latched. Fluid leaks. Look for signs of oil, coolant, or other fluid leaks under the vehicle. 2. Engine compartment inspection. Fluid levels. Check engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Belts and hoses. Inspect for cracks, fraying, or wear. Battery. Check for corrosion on terminals and ensure connections are secure. Air filter. Ensure the air filter is clean and properly seated. 3. Interior inspection. Dashboard. Check warning lights, e.g. check engine, ABS, airbag. Ensure gauges, fuel, temperature, speedometer are functioning. Steering. Test steering wheel for excessive play or stiffness. Brakes. Test parking brake and service brake for proper operation. Seat belts. Inspect for fraying or damage and ensure they latch securely. Horn. Test the horn for proper operation. Wipers and washers. Check windshield wipers for wear and ensure they function properly. Test windshield washer fluid spray. Interior cleanliness. Ensure the interior is clean and free of obstructions. 4. Under vehicle inspection. Suspension. Check for worn or damaged components, e.g. shocks, springs. Exhaust system. Inspect for leaks, damage, or loose components. Fuel system. Check for leaks or damage to fuel lines and tank. Drivetrain. Inspect for leaks or damage to the transmission and differential. 5. Documentation and final checks. Registration and insurance. Ensure the vehicle's registration and insurance documents are valid and in the vehicle. Emergency equipment. Check for the presence of a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and warning triangles if required. Passenger compartment. Ensure seats are secure and seat belts are accessible. Final walk around. Perform a final visual inspection of the vehicle before starting your trip. 6. Post-inspection. Start the engine, listen for unusual noises, and ensure the engine runs smoothly. Test drive. Perform a short test drive to check steering, braking, and acceleration. By following these steps, Class 4 drivers can ensure their vehicle is safe and compliant with ICBC regulations. Always document any issues and address them before operating the vehicle. Watch other videos for Class 1, 2, 3 and unrestricted pre-trip inspection. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to give thumbs up for the video and subscribe for the channel.